Alright, so anyways, I have a balloon and I have a match. And remember I just told you you can cover your ears like this, so it'll make it not sound as... Whoa! Okay, well, alright, I'm gonna light this amazing sciencey candle. Alright, so here we go. There's a sciencey candle. I'm gonna blow this balloon out. This is a different balloon, this one's bigger. Okay, so here's the balloon filled with air. Stay. I didn't think of that. I made it too big and it's not gonna want to stay. Alright. Alright, so anyways, the timer is gone. Let's say it's probably been about 10 seconds. Now it's probably been about 15 seconds. Okay, so that was about 20 seconds. Alright, so it put a blue little candle out too. That's kind of neat. Okay, the other one lasted 25 seconds roughly. What are our predictions here?
Oh, it's gonna pop?
37 seconds.
30 seconds.
37 seconds.
37 seconds.
Oh, maybe
That's very specific.
37.5. Ooh, she rose.
37.6.
37.6.
37.8.
You guys be good at the prices right. Alright, so let's see what happens.
I'm scared now. We're gonna pay 30.
Alright, timer starts now.
It's gonna pop.
Alright.